How then? Back for more pattern details. This one is, it's more just, it's either going to be a reminder or it's a, this is how you do it kind of video. So it's not got any particular details in it, it's just reminding you of the moves. Okay? So if you haven't seen up to this point, please watch the previous ones. I think there are 3 details, could be 4, can't remember. Videos up to this point for Yul Go. But we've gone past the halfway point, we've hit that elbow, we've turned, we've kicked, second elbow, and it's the next set of combinations. Now this is going to be a reasonable amount of moves, but they're all easy peasy. Okay, so once you've gone right foot kick, rear elbow in Yul Go, hopefully you've got to there. If you haven't, do the previous videos. Okay, it's really easy. Left foot in, left foot out, double open hand block. We have seen this from Wonyo, we have seen this from Tangun. You're just opening their hands, that's it. Okay, nothing more, nothing less. Don't get yourself in a muddle. Okay, once we're in here, we go drop, spear. Again, straight out of Dosan, straight out of Wonyo. Don't change it. Okay, the only thing you don't have here is these up-down things like in Dosan. Okay, that is the only time you'll ever do that, and it's only there because it links into the spin. Okay, everything else is just straight spear and it'll drop or change. Okay, but it never has that again. Okay, right. It goes left in, left out, double open hand block, spear, stuff you know. Left hip, back hip, long turn, double open hand block, spear, and then again straight out of Dosan we go 2 wrists, 2 watches face to face, Dosan block, punch, and again. Easy peasy. Okay, if you're up on your patterns, you'll know this is very, very similar stuff. And it's just making sure that everything is congruent with one another. Okay, if you do double-handed closed blocks like this, hands start in the same position, the fold's a bit different, granted, one on top of the other, 1 pancake, 2 pancake, rather than 1 potato, 2 potato. Okay, here, and then spin. Okay, what I will do, however, is I'm going to show you once from the opposite way around so you can see all the techniques, and I'll just highlight the stances as well. Okay, so imagine I started my pattern here and I went this way. I've got all the way to the end, I've got an elbow, I've turned and guard, I've done my kick, I've done my rear elbow, and I'm ready for the section we're addressing in this video. Okay, it goes left foot in, left foot out, bam, double open hand block, drop and spear, off, left hip, double open hand block, spear, fold ready. Notice I fold here in front of me, but I turn into it. So I've got my hip and my shoulder twist to help me get some bit of power into that block. Okay, if I come in and fold it here, it's rubbish. Okay, I want to fold it here so it's to the side of me when I'm ready to jam it in. Okay, it's not a particularly powerful block on its own, which is why we have as much help as we can. Boof, punch, and then we fold it on the opposite side. 1, 2. Okay. Now, stances. A little bit of stance shuffling. Do not throw your weight, especially on the big 180-degree turn. Okay. So that's where we'd come into this combination in that elbow. Left foot in, left foot out. Back stance, front stance, back stance, front stance, and then front stances for your block punches. Okay, easy peasy. Okay, I don't desperately need to highlight those stance changes, but just think of this 1, 2 when you're thinking about your feet as the same as Tangun. Okay, back stance to front stance, back stance to front stance. Okay, or you could think of it the same as halfway through Tangun. Double block, punch, double block, punch. Yeah, same thing. Oops. Tripping over me decking. Yeah, easy peasy. That's that combination. Get it together. Each move wants to have its own little piece of time and space and power. Okay, especially that first one of these. really jam that one in when you turn to the back. Otherwise it ends up just being and it looks rubbish. Okay? Big strong powerful block, big strong powerful punches, and these snap that in and then spear strong. Yeah, straight line like a punch. Okay, be big with it. Okay, cheers.